X multipliers. Let's go. Look at those babies. Look at.
Let's go. So many thousands. So many of you could get 1,000.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
The winners. Congratulations for you, my dear players. Let's go to the next round. Did you fall already in the pachinko ladder? Nah, not yet. Not yet. Hopefully never. 2x on 2. Okay, slow down, slow down. Stop. Stop. Oh, that was so close. You guys, are you ready? Okay, let's go. Woo! Welcome everyone to the crazy time. I love it. Are you ready? Woo! Let's prepare the multipliers on a wheel. Okay, now it's time to choose the flopper. We got 3 options. We got the green one, we got the blue one in the middle, and we got the yellow one. Make your decisions, keep your fingers crossed, and let's go. So 100 is the biggest one. Come on. Woo! Double for the yellow. All right, let's double the multipliers on a wheel. Oh, just like that. Perfect. So now we have 200. Come on. Woo! Okay, now we're talking. Another double for the yellow. And let's double the multipliers again. And this time, the biggest one is 400. Come on! Woo!
This is the amount of money issued, 55,630 euros.
Woo! 200 for the yellow, 15 for green and blue. Congratulations, 2,324 round winners. Nice job. Welcome back. What an intense bonus round. Congratulations to you guys. Yellow color is definitely shining today.
On the other side. So, good luck. Welcome to the crazy time. First one of the session. Let's see. YIPH. Anyways, wish you the best luck at this one. Alright, so you got green, blue, and yellow. Choose your color, choose your team. Wish you the best luck at this one. Let's hope for some double action as well, obviously. And this is our close as vegan. If I had that's nice, good luck. Alright, we got a 10x for green, 20x for yellow, double for the blue. So good luck to my blue friends. Let's double the bar for you. And that's gonna be 200x max now, so good luck. And that's all for more doubles maybe, or 200. That's good luck. Alright, another double. Let's double the double. Go for it, IPH. You can share. But yeah, we got ourselves another double, so 400x for the blue. Good luck. Well, max for the blue.
This is the amount of money issued, 72,746 euros.
200x for the blue calculations. 10x, 200x, and 20x. I'll see you back at the wheel. Alright, welcome back. Awesome win for the blue players. So let's continue. We got a 1,112 total winners. So because of that, awesome. Let's sum it up. This time, top slots.
Let's go, plus welcome to Cash on with a whole 15x multiplier. That is going to be absolutely amazing. So let's go. Big wins for you guys. So far we have 100x multiplier. Let's multiply everything. 15x multipliers. Let's go. Look at those babies. Look at those multipliers. 1,500x multiplier to catch. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, finally, amazing wins in here. A really great start, It's my first session for the day. I'm already with the big wins, amazing. Let's go, let's shuffle time is done. It's all up to you guys now. To me, the choice and the symbols, I really hope for that 1,500x multiplier to be yours. So let's go, let's make a decision right now. There's a lot of really nice multipliers anyways hiding as well. 1,500x's, but still, we have a lot of good multipliers. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued to 112,853 euros.
Here, I can't even see it with so many golden numbers. Let's go, everyone. CS Lurax, hello to you. We have 1,500. Well done to you. 1,633 winners for now. Absolutely amazing, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy finally. Big wins was my session. Big wins with the cash hands. Let's go 1,500x's. Alrighty. Let's go at last.
GM with a 311 euro win. The bets are open for you, and let's continue. Yeah, back. Yeah, I also like. If we would have had it, it means that we're in a dream right now, right? Well, I'm in your dream, you know, and you're just dreaming, my friend, you know. But now this was proof that like we're not dreaming right now. All right. Now this session top slot is risen up coin flip, you know. Previous time it was, I think, cashins. Can we get crazy time? Yeah, of course we can, my tiger. Of course we can. Let me hear your roar. Come on, roar. You know, roar. All right, let's go, everybody. Follow me. Oh yeah, let's go. It's a crazy time, my friend. Here we go. Hey, hey. Oh, let's go. Oh yeah. Hey, hey. Yeah. Green, blue, green, blue, what? Green, blue, yellow. There we go. Oh, let's go. Auto picks an option. Hey. Hey, hey. Alright, so we're fighting for the 100x multiplier right now. Best of luck. It's a 15x on a green, a 15x yellow, and it is a big double on a blue. Blue flopper, a double for you. Hey, hey, a 200x on the line right now. Can you do it? Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued, 780,605 euros.
And do it! 200x on the blue flopper. Yeah, haha. Oh, 3,137 winners. The European challenge wins with the top 3 wins. The bets are open for you, and let's continue. Hey, yo, yeah. All right. Good luck in the next one, everybody. Green and yellow, you'll get them next time, my tigers. Yo, don't worry. What was that song?
First, as well, which goes around like in Europe and whatnot. Within like 2 weeks, you're traveling around some, I don't know, 8 countries. Great time, 2 times multi or something like that. But yeah, somehow haven't tried. Hold on. Ooh, we're traveling to the crazy time, ladies and gentlemen. Second time for the session. This time at the 2 times stop. Let's go. Well. Welcome, everybody. Good to see you joining the Crazy Times bonus round. There is a 3 flappers that you need to choose one for each to stand for. Color green, yellow, or blue. But you know what? It's not a simple Crazy Time. It's a 2 times multi from the top slot. So every single multiplier right now is increased. We will get to the max multi later on. Now you gotta choose. If you can choose, there's an out open. And guys, remember, we also do have the doubles around the wheel, so all the possibilities to double up the fun again and spin it again. But now, max multi 200 XP. And we got a double. Woo! Double for the green flappers. Every single multiplier is increased twice. And we're spinning the wheel again. This time for those who did choose the green flapper, already having a potential for the highest multi 400.
This is the amount of money issued 558,501 euros.
That's a 200x, 100x, and a 30x. Enjoy, darling. Back at the studio return with amazing outcome as 200x, 100x, and 30x outcome. I really do hope you enjoyed, guys. Congratulations. Also, let's keep moving on, shall we? You're so welcome, guys. Good job. Absolutely beautiful. And good morning, everybody who are joining. Hi, Jimmy. How are you?
We get it again. Please. Oh, hold on. Players, look at that. We got a cash on. I am very excited. Hi. 10x cash on. Say what? Let's see what you can win. So 100. I see a lot of hundreds. 20, 15, 10, 7, 5. Hold on. We got a 10x and everything. Let's go. So many thousands. So many of you could get 1,000. Dear players. So let's shuffle them. Whoa. Whoa. What a red wall. As always, you'll have 15 seconds to choose any symbol. If you put a bet on Cash Hunt, whatever heads underneath will be your prize from 50 up to 1000x. You heard me right. Bam, time starts now. Please choose. If you don't know what to choose, please try auto pick feature where the game gives you a random symbol, or you can see what others are guessing in the chat. And I can't wait to see how many of you get 1000x. This is crazy. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, time's up. Then let's.
This is the amount of money issued 747,822 euros.
Beautiful multipliers. Congratulations. Wow, we 3 Cape Total winners with this, and that's 5-1 payout here for this one in this case. Moving on, bets are open. Make yourselves comfortable. 4 numbers for bonus games, auto plays on top. So yes, good luck. Here we go. 4x on crazy time right now. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Come in here, baby. Yes. Let's go. We ain't stopping. We crazy. Follow me in this crazy world, guys. Ka-ching! Well, how about 3 times good things? Third one with the top slot. 4x on top. Third crazy time with the top slot. This one's with the top slot. Oh boy. Well, that's already in the beginning now. 4 times better. No matter where we land, 4 times better. So go and pick your favorite flapper now. That's all you need to do here. Maybe auto pick option instead. Green, blue, yellow. The highest multi here stands. Let me see. 400x. Good luck. Let's go. Ooh. 40 for the green, for the blue, 200 for the yellow, and double for the green. Guys, we are doubling this thing up. And now the highest stands as 800x. Good luck. Oh, okay. Yeah. We got double one more time. Say no more. Let's go for another spin, guys. 1,600x on top. We're going crazy. I just can't sleep. We just can't stop with the doubles, guys. Let's go. 3,200x. Woo! You know what? At this point, we ain't stopping. We are on a roll. There's no breaks here. Double after a double, guys. This is already looking like we're cooking. Okay, 6,400x, the highest. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued for 1,258,726 euros.
That's what I'm talking about, people. 3,200x. Let's go. Yes, yes, yes. Welcome back. We started a pod and we ate. We ate big. Guys, congratulations. I'm out of breath here officially because this was delicious. Oh, congratulations to everybody, but especially the green flapper people.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.